As we see, it's morning time now, and there's no messing around here in Brazil. We're gonna have to find some food very fast because I'm really hungry, and I don't really care about my cameramen because they don't need food. We're just gonna keep on following the trail here. As you can see, again, there's no animals in the wasteland out here. It's very dangerous because out far beyond there are the coyote mothers. We're just gonna take this neatly built fence gate right here, continue on this trail. As I can see, there's a pond out there. Hopefully there's some water. Watch out, watch your step. There's these roots everywhere that could trip you. Good thing I have my trail boots on. You can pretty much find these at any store locally. Oh, hold on. We got looks like a can of SpaghettiOs here. These are very dangerous, but it's a very good find. These can bite back at you. They're made of aluminum. I'm gonna have to sneak up on it and get it in its mouth where it hurts. I'm gonna have to set this little trap here. I think I got it, but I'm not for sure. I smashed its eyeballs out. Yeah. As you can see right here, can of SpaghettiOs, Bon Italia. I don't know what brand that is. I prefer Chef Boyardee, but if you can hand me my can openers, that'd be really nice. This is a very good find. See how it has 1 gram of fat, 610 milligrams of sodium, which is good because I've been sweating a lot. Very unfortunate that I don't have a fire built up, but it's okay because I'm gonna have to eat these cold. As you can see, I got a little bit of wood in there, but that's okay. It's not stopping me from eating them. It's actually very nasty. These have definitely been sitting here for a while. I don't think I can eat this before I get food poisoning. I'll have to feed this to the coyote mother. As you can see here, the coyote mother cleaned out my yogurt. Hopefully she's still hungry to eat those SpaghettiOs. We're going to continue on the trail here and find us some carbon here. We've been looking out for sources of carbon all day. So far we've only found the diamond, which is a very good find. As you can see here, we got a pond. It's a good source of water. We're gonna have to get down there and drink that. Good thing I have my trail boots on because this is some very dangerous terrain here. Just stay on me if you can, producers. You want to be careful coming down this so you don't slip and fall. You could break an ankle. We're gonna have to find a good spot. As you can see, it's a little muddy. And you see here, water. It's very good. That's very good water. As you can see, look at all the moss in there. It's cleaning up all of that. There's also some bad algae in there. Hopefully I didn't get any of that in my system. Watch out for the mud again. We're gonna have to look for this carbon because, oh wait, you hear that? I hear it. Do you hear that? There's some pencils over there. These are very dangerous. You can't let them bite you or you will get lead poisoning. You see here, they're laying under the rock. I don't know how I missed these the first time. These are actually bright in color. You got to be dangerous on coming up on these because they could bite you and suffer from lead poisoning, as I said before. You see this orange one here is the baby, and that yellow one is the Ticonderoga, which is very, very rare. So we're gonna have to get in there and try to get this. Too bad I don't have my snake hook, but here we go. Just gonna take this rock here and try to cut off its head. Alright, here's the baby. As you can see, there's the graphite. very, very soft form of carbon there. It's actually used for writing. That's how they get pencils these days. And then right here you got the soft eraser of its backside. That's also used for rubber. As you can see here, it's a Dixon Ticonderoga. This is obviously a very rare find. It's the mother. I'm going to stick this in my back pocket and use this at the lab. Hopefully we can find out some more stuff. Here we are in Brazil, trying to find a way home. We're in the middle of the rainforest. It's a dry climate this year. And I stepped in some mud. My feet are actually getting really cold because it's actually very cold outside right now. You'd think Brazil would be actually very warm, but it's not. By the way, I'm Professor Harry Dobbins with the University of Stanford, and you're on Man vs. Wild. It's a good thing this coyote mother has showed us where to go and to lead us on this trail here, or we wouldn't know where to go. But she looks like she's leaving now. Hopefully she meets up back with us when we get to the transport vehicle. If you could follow me, that would be nice. As you see here, we didn't see this shelter earlier, or I didn't, or it would have been very nice and cozy to stay in. It looks like it's abandoned, but it's kind of hard to tell from here. I don't see any people moving in there, so it would have been really nice to stay there. As you can see here, we're kind of in a lot of some sort where somebody has once lived or is living. You can kind of tell that, oh, there's another vehicle. I think someone is living here. Well, this has been Man vs. Wild with Professor Harry Dobbins, and I'm out. See ya. Woo! Hello, once again, I'm Professor Harry Dobbins with the University of Stanford, and we're going to talk about allotropes of carbon. You see, allotrope is a physical form found in nature, and here is our first element, or allotrope of carbon, which a diamond is highly transparent, and it is also one of the hardest materials known to Earth, and it has a very low electrical conductivity, and it also has a thermoconductivity of all known materials, which is the highest. And then you got graphite here, which is very black, actually quite opposite of the diamond, which is very white. And then the graphite is actually really soft, which is used to be written on paper. And then graphite is a very good conductor, once again the opposite of the diamond. And then we got Buckminster fullerene, which is the coating on this here ball, this racket ball, and Buckminster fullerene protects the coating, or not the coating, the rubber part of the ball. And then carbon is also used in burning wood and emits gas out into the air known as carbon monoxide. When you burn wood, or let's say any form of carbon, wood is a form of carbon. I guess a person could be burning, but we really wouldn't want that to happen. But once that carbon is burned, it releases carbon monoxide as a gas, and unlike other forms of carbon, which the three allotropes I just talked about, the diamond, the graphite, and the Buckminster fullerene, is all a solid, which is opposite of the gas form of carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide, depending on which gas you're talking about.